Welcome to the End Content Co YouTube channel. If you're a tech enthusiast or simply someone who loves puns colder than my ex's heart, you're in the right place. Today, we're plunging into the icy depths of the Lian Galahad 2 Trinity 360 AIO CPU Liquid Cooler. And no, Galahad isn't a mythical creature from a fantasy novel, though it does have some magical cooling properties. For easy access, we've linked this knight in shining armor cooler below. In this overview, we're shedding light on the design, performance, and value of the CPU cooler, aimed at delivering peak performance for your CPU. This cooler is all about ensuring your processor doesn't break a sweat, because CPUs need their beauty sleep too. Straight out of the box, the cooler dazzles with its pristine white design. You'll find the majestic 360mm radiator, 3 DC chain fans, mounting brackets, and a spellbook. Okay, not really, but it's the user manual. With its powerful pump design and RGB lighting, it's not just a cooler, it's a statement. And that statement is, I'm so cool. Even polar bears are jealous. The fans promise efficient cooling while keeping the noise levels down, so you won't have to crank up your volume while binge watching your favorite shows. Compatibility? This cooler has your back, supporting Intel LGA 1700, 1200, 115X, and even the latest AMD M5/M4 sockets. Let's get the tech specs rolling. Dimensions: 15.65 inches long, 4.96 inches wide, and 1.05 inches tall. It's sleeker than a tuxedo-wearing cat on a red carpet. Brand: the legendary Lian. Voltage and wattage: this baby runs on 12 volts and consumes a mere 3.6 watts. That's less energy than I consume deciding what to wear on a Monday. Cooling method: pure, crisp water. Yes, your CPU gets better hydration than most of us. Noise level: a whisper quiet 16.59 decibels. It's so silent you can hear a pin drop, or your opponent sneaking up in a game. Max rotational speed: a whopping 3,200 RPM, faster than my attempts to swat a mosquito. Weight: 6.04 pounds. No, it doesn't need a diet. This cooler has been available since August 2nd, 2023. If it was a person, it would still be in diapers. But let's get frosty and break the ice with our ratings. We give the design 4 stars. The Galahad 2 Trinity is visually enchanting. It's the unicorn of coolers. Rare, beautiful, and probably grants wishes. The RGB daisy chainable fans not only ensure efficient airflow but also light up your rig like a Christmas tree. We give performance 4 stars. The 360mm radiator coupled with the optimized pump ensures your CPU remains cool during those intense gaming marathons or 4K video renders. We give the value 4 stars. With its exceptional cooling capabilities and aesthetics, the price tag feels justified. Is the Galahad 2 Trinity on your wish list? Perhaps you've been blessed by its cooling touch already? Remember to hit subscribe and ring that bell to be notified of our latest reviews. And if you've got suggestions for future content or just want to challenge us to a snowball fight, let us know. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope to chill with you in our next video. Until then, keep your CPUs cool and your humor cooler.